2021 enrolments are open. Get your year off to a new career start. Courses: 6 weeks just the basics, full-time jewellery manufacture, full-time traditional silversmithing, short courses available, and our ever-popular novice jewellery making or silversmithing classes. Our most popular short courses are the enamelling, the box making, the spoon making, and of course the repousse and chasing course. The 6 weeks just the basics course is designed for people to have an insight into what the industry holds for them if they choose to make a career out of it. Use hand tools, learn about metals, learn about basic construction. It's a great pathway. Full-time jewellery manufacture course is Monday to Wednesday. You'll learn about making mounts and settings, fabrication, repairs, design, wax casting processes, how to use your tools correctly, and our full-time traditional silversmithing course is Monday to Wednesday as well. You'll learn the old skills and crafts of planishing, polishing, finishes, construction, forging, repairs, and so much more. Trade training is available for apprentices only. This training program will allow you to value add to your apprentices practical hand skills through the one-on-one training provided. Our special trade courses this year are making mounts and settings, introduction to setting, advanced setting, silversmithing introduction, and silversmithing advanced. The novice 5-week courses will allow you to make your own items for gifts for others or just for your own personal interest. It's a great hobby. So enroll today. Give us a call at the Academy of Jewellery Manufacture and Design. Go on, pick up that phone and begin your journey in precious metals. Call today.